Welcome to Hanoi's Train Street, where a roaring international train blasts through a neighborhood just inches from local doorsteps. Hidden deep in the bustling heart of Vietnam's capital, there is a narrow residential alley where normal daily life instantly pauses for a thrilling spectacle. Local kids run inside, shopkeepers hurriedly pull back their displays, and travelers press themselves flat against the walls. A few moments later, a massive steel train thunders right past your face, creating one of the most adrenaline-pumping architectural collisions in the world. For decades, this narrow railway alley was just a quiet residential shortcut. Built by French colonists in 1902, the tracks were laid directly through the densely populated old quarters of Hanoi. Because space in the city is incredibly valuable, locals built their tall, narrow tube houses directly alongside the rails. For the residents here, the train tracks became their front yard. People washed dishes, chopped vegetables, and parked their motorbikes right on the steel rails, treating the active train line like a standard neighborhood sidewalk. However, in the era of digital travel, this industrial shortcut transformed into a global phenomenon. Travelers from every corner of the planet flooded the alley to capture the ultimate high-risk photo. To accommodate the massive influx of tourists, innovative locals converted their ground floors into trendy, neon-lit cafes. They placed tiny plastic stools right beside the tracks, serving authentic Vietnamese egg, coffee, and ice-cold beers just centimeters away from the danger zone. The contrast between the slow, relaxing cafe culture and the imminent arrival of a speeding locomotive created an intoxicating atmosphere that took social media by storm. But how do people actually live in this hyper-intense environment? The answer lies in a beautiful, synchronized daily rhythm. The train schedule dictates everything here. When the distant whistle blows, a fascinating transformation occurs. In less than 60 seconds, the active market stalls disappear, cafe tables are folded away, and tourists are ushered into designated safe zones behind a painted yellow line. The air grows tense, the ground begins to vibrate, and the deafening roar of a V12 diesel engine echoes off the concrete walls. As the train rushes by, the wind brushes against your clothes, and you can literally feel the mechanical heat radiating from the steel wheels. It is a sensory overload that demands absolute respect. Once the final carriage passes, the alley instantly comes back to life. Within seconds, the plastic stools return to the tracks, conversations resume, and travelers step back onto the rails to snap photos of the train disappearing into the urban landscape. It is a testament to the remarkable adaptability and resilient spirit of the Vietnamese people, who have turned a potential hazard into a celebrated cultural experience. If you are planning to experience this thrill for yourself, you must understand the rules. Due to safety concerns, the government tightly regulates access to the tracks, and local guards monitor the entrances. The best and safest way to enter is to have a local cafe owner guide you to their seating area. Once inside, sit back, sip a traditional coconut coffee, and prepare for an unforgettable encounter with modern history. Whether you are drawn here by the sheer adrenaline of the locomotive or the vibrant charm of Hanoi's local life, Train Street leaves an unforgettable mark on every traveler. It is a powerful symbol of human creativity, survival, and a reminder that adventure can be found in the most unexpected corners of the globe. If you enjoyed this fast-paced journey through the hidden alleys of Vietnam, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel guides.